We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to have a watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Sndl, Sundial Growers Inc. and it's been showing strength for the last several days, but today things slightly pulled down and leveled off. Before we break it all down and we look at it with Ultimate 42 Vision and 42 Vision itself, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Sndl, Sundial Growers Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So CANF was the one stock I was watching this morning, and it turned out to be phenomenal in the pre-market and even after the bell. So we caught this one as it was pulling back in the pre-market, and it took off for a 10 to 15+% move in just a matter of minutes. Towards the bell, it pulled back, jumped up another 10+% move, pulled back down, and this is where the home run opportunity was created after multiple opportunities of 10 to 15%. We got that bull indicator, extreme weakness on 42 Vision, and it shifted into strength, giving a highest point of 20% plus. From that bull indicator to that next bear indicator, it was phenomenal. So if you guys want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Sndl, Sundial Growers Inc. And after 3 days of full strength and coming out of extreme weakness on 42 Vision to extreme strength, things have slightly cooled off. But when you look at it, this staircase effect has been nothing but pure strength, and we want to see this continue, right? And as you could see it right now in live action, it's consolidated and it's trying to go back up in that direction. So this is super important right now where it sits. We're going to look at the key levels, and we're also going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision. And by the way, you can now gain access to Ultimate 42 Vision indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, and by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the clarity you deserve to receive the confidence to maximize on opportunities within the charts with the 42 Vision premium indicators. We look forward to getting you set up. Check out the link down below, and let's jump into it here with Sndl and what it's showing. So Ultimate 42 Vision went from a bull indicator to a bear indicator here on the 30-minute. We need to keep in mind it is a little bit more volatile, but from this point down here at 53 cents to all the way up here at 59, that was nearly a 20% move, right? It was about 10 to 15%, almost 20% at the highest point, pulled back down, and it's consolidating right now. So we need to see if this holds true, or if another bull indicator pops up as this is starting to push back up to newer highs, because it can negate this, and this is just popping up because specific levels were met and there's some volatility going on. But when you really look at it with 42 Vision, you could see that all of this is still green. There's no red and there's no white, right? So there's no extreme weakness. There's just slight pullbacks with still some strength, and it's shifted right back into dark green. We need to see if it can continue and get back to green from dark green to green, and not go in the downward direction from dark green to dark green with red borders and then red candlesticks right after. And then what comes at the end of it? White candlesticks with red borders, which means extreme weakness and pullbacks, right? So right now things are still heading in that direction. Now let's look at it on the 4-hour. It will be important to keep this in mind that the 4-hour is showing a bull indication, since way down here in the 57 mark, went to highs here of 62, slightly pulled back, and this could be the setup for the next bull run. You want to keep that in mind because it's still under a bull indicator, it's still showing strength, and the last piece of the puzzle, when it goes from dark green, obviously if it doesn't go back to red and it goes right back into dark green, because right now it's dark green with red borders. We want to see this go from dark green with red borders to dark green with green borders. And then guess what? Green is the next part of the puzzle, and that's going to signify extreme strength. Hold up on that bull indication and continue in the upward direction. So right now things are still under momentum and some strength, but these are some key levels to watch, and I'm going to break down the support levels I will be watching closely, and also resistance levels if this continues to the upside, right? Now the 1 day is also showing key points of strength of trying to reverse, and this is very pivotal right now because the last time 3 of these popped up, which was red with green borders, there was a reversal back to the downside, and we're on the 3rd one right now. And if you really look at these 3, they're almost looking the same, right? One was kind of small, then this one was the largest, this one was the smallest. One was kind of small, this one was the largest, and then this one is close to being the smallest. So what does that mean? The next piece of the puzzle, if it plays out the same, is going to be a downward direction from these levels, okay? So it's going to be important. This is going to need to break that trend and go upwards, right, from red with green borders to dark green with green borders, and continue the momentum like we saw right here. The last time it went from 63 all the way to 95. Now, I'm not saying it's going to do the same exact move or go all the way to 90s or 80s, but for this momentum to continue and to be able to maximize on it as an investor, we want to watch this carefully. And right now, this is all under a bear indicator on the 1 day, not on the 4 hour, not on the 30-minute, but the 1 day. And we need to watch closely as this continues, if it continues with strength, for a bull indicator to pop up anywhere beneath these levels to see if real strength starts to come in towards this stock. So let's go ahead and look here on the 30-minute, what to keep in mind and what levels to watch, right? Because this is under a bear indicator. This can quickly lose momentum, and this could all turn into a bull trap, anything that it pulls up, if it doesn't get another bull indicator or come in with enough strength. And this will hold true, and anything it goes up will then eventually collapse, because a specific level was met here based off the 30-minute, that it's going to go lower to newer support levels, and newer resistance levels won't be met, right? So the first thing is the support today, 58 cents. If that gets broken through, the key level I'll be watching is down here at 55. And then to the upside, we need to see this break 62. But that is not the most significant resistance level. The most significant, based off the history of the charts, is 64 cents. I would even round that up to 65. We need to see this break through that, turn it into a support, bounce off of it, and then start heading towards 70 cents and see if it can continue the upward momentum from way down here as we've seen it. It has a lot of strength here, but this is a key level to be watching it, and specifically the next few days and this week will be pivotal on the direction this will start to take, okay? Super important to be aware of these levels, watching this closely with 42 Vision. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and if you want to receive clarity like no other, check out the link down below to the 42 Vision indicators. You will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve and confidence to navigate through the volatility of the markets and maximize on opportunities no matter what's going on in the charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.